Have you been looking for a full brick, two-story home, brand new construction in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area? In this video, we're going to check out the 2307 floor plan by Adams Homes in Piedmont, South Carolina. Hey, if this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about living in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be the first to know about the real estate market right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Hey, it's Victor. I'm out of here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by supporting and guiding them as they buy their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to do the same for you as well. Whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. All of our contact information are below. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. We're going to check out the 2307 floor plan by Adams Homes right here in Brackenwood subdivision. All right, so four-sided brick homes, most of them in the neighborhood here. There was another builder that built some of the homes in the community, but for this part of the neighborhood, it's all Adams Homes with the four-sided brick homes. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home, 2-car garage. All right, so you got a front porch here, not too big, not too small. Like I said, it's brick home. The formal dining room with crown molding, and we'll go upstairs in a little bit. So it opens up into the family room area here, which opens up into the kitchen area, and that's the foyer that we just came in. Okay, got some crown molding right up there, and this would be like a little breakfast area right around here. Okay, and granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, single bowl sink. You got the tile backsplash. You've got the soft close drawers, soft close cabinet doors, brushed nickel pool. And out of the homes that we've looked at in this community, this is actually the first one that I've been in so far that actually has a larger pantry, almost like a walk-in, but it's a step-in. But it's larger than everything else that we've seen so far in this community. All right, gas range, and it's got the built-in microwave, and they are vented outside. So if you're like me that like to cook with certain spices and stuff, and it's good to have those vented outside so you can be able to kind of not have your house smelling like fish fry all the time. All right, so you've got some drawers and cabinets on this side as well of the island. And then on this side, you have a space where you can put a couple of bar stools if you wanted to. Probably don't want to put anything too high or anything in there to not take up this space, or too much of that space anyway. All right, so there's the powder room, your half bath, and the 2-car garage. Water heater, looks like gas. Okay. Automatic door opener. And let's go ahead and check out the outside while we're here. And they do have the blinds built into the back door here, which is pretty cool. And small covered patio, not too big. And like I said, it's 4-sided brick, so you can see the brick there and brick on the other side. Plenty of neighbors already in this community. All right, so let's head on upstairs and check out the upstairs. All right, so as you come up here, you come up to the landing, now you're back to the luxury vinyl plank floors again. So you got the luxury vinyl plank floors in the living areas, and the bedrooms have carpet, okay? Double sinks in the secondary bathroom here, and you do have the drawers and cabinets, doors that all have the soft close. tub shower in there. All right, we'll check out the laundry room, also with the luxury vinyl plank floors. Carpet in the bedrooms, and closet here. Bedroom number 2. Closet. Okay, and this bedroom actually has the pull-down attic in it. Okay, it's nice to have this luxury vinyl planks throughout here. All right, and let's check this out. Linen closet here. That's interesting with the you got the outlet in there. So if you wanted to, plug something in the closet, you got the outlet already there. That's cool. Good sized room right here. Closet, you got double doors. And it's nice to have those 2 windows. Let's in some natural light. And there's this huge closet here. It's just extra storage space, that you can use for whatever, really. More storage. And the primary bedroom, you got the tray ceiling there, ceiling fan, 3 windows, so you got some good natural light coming through here. It's a decent sized room as well. Nice crown molding in the tray and in the regular ceiling as well. Ensuite bathroom, double sinks, and again you have the soft close drawers and cabinet doors there as well. And this is the water closet here, toilet area. 5-foot shower, you got a little bench in it. And another linen closet. Now, this is pretty cool. They actually put a hook right here so you can hang your towel. Most builders don't actually include that, so that's nice. You usually have to do that afterwards. Nice size walk-in closet in this room here, so very nice. So I hope you enjoyed that tour. So if you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. Look forward to seeing you soon. Take care. Bye.